For today's lesson, we are going to learn on how to multiply a one-digit number by a two-digit number step by step. For example, 34 times 2. Okay, let's do step by step. Step 1, multiply the ones place. Let's multiply 2 by the ones digit of 34, which is 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. We write 8 in the ones place. Let's go to the next step. Step 2, multiply the tens place. Multiply 2 by the 10 digit of 34, which is 3. Okay, let's multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. We write 6 in the tens place. This will be our final answer. 34 times 2 equals 68.